Number 1. We begin with the 1967 Chevrolet Silverado, offered at $3,500 and located in Lubbock, Texas. This classic long bed project truck comes without a motor or transmission, but it originally housed a V8 automatic, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or parts. Its striking orange paint and clean title, combined with rear-wheel drive, make it a solid base for a rebuild. With 8 cylinders and a truck body type, this Silverado presents a great opportunity for someone passionate about restoring a classic pickup to its former glory. Whether you're looking for a project or parts, this Silverado is a great investment. For more information, please check the description. Next, we have the 1971 Chevrolet C20, priced at $1,500 and located in Morrison, Colorado. This project pickup truck runs, but needs some mechanical work to get it fully road-ready. With 92,000 miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive vehicle features an automatic transmission and a robust V8 engine. It's a solid candidate for restoration with a clean title, and with some dedication and effort, it has the potential to become a fully functional truck once again. Offered at a negotiable price, this Chevrolet C20 is an affordable project for any vintage truck enthusiast. For further details, see the description. Number 3. Here we find a 1959 Dodge Royal, listed for $3,500 and located in Hardin, Montana. This is a nearly complete restoration project with a clean title and plenty of potential. The engine runs when hooked up to a gas can, although the car has not yet been driven, which makes it a prime candidate for someone looking to finish the restoration process. With minimal rust and a large selection of extra parts included, this vehicle is perfect for restoration enthusiasts. Featuring an automatic transmission, forward-wheel drive, and 8 cylinders, this Dodge Royal offers the chance to own a desirable classic car once fully restored. For more information, check the description. Number 4. Moving on, we find a 1978 Ford F150, priced at $2,500 and located in North Seattle, Washington. This classic pickup truck has 7,000 miles on the odometer and has served as a family hauling and camping vehicle. Although it hasn't been driven in 2 years, the engine remains strong and the truck could be back on the road with a little mechanical attention. It likely needs a tune-up, possibly a fuel filter change, and new plugs. The original green paint is oxidized and the body shows some dents, but the interior remains in good condition. With a clean title and plenty of potential, this Ford F-150 is looking for a new home and an owner ready to invest in its future. For more details, please check the description. Number 5. Next, we have a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, offered at $4,800 and located in Blaine, Washington. This first-year, second-generation Corvair comes in the rare Tahitian turquoise color with a white interior, making it a highly desirable classic car. With 89,400 original miles, it's mostly original, with only minor rust issues that are easily repairable. The engine turns freely by hand, but the car hasn't been driven in 2 years. With the original Oregon title included, this Corvair Monza is an excellent project for enthusiasts looking to restore a special piece of automotive history. For more information, check the description. Number 6. Here, we find a 1973 Jeep CJ5, priced at $2,500 and located in Federal Way, Washington. This restoration project has not been touched yet, but it holds immense potential for someone interested in off-road vehicles. While the Jeep doesn't currently start or run, the seller believes the original engine is still in place, waiting to be revived. Featuring an 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this Jeep is the perfect project for anyone looking to restore a classic off-roader to its former glory. For more details, check the description. Number 7. Next up, we have a 1978 Chevrolet C10 Big 10, priced at $4,600 and located in Gig Harbor, Washington. This Canadian-built classic truck has been driven regularly and features rally wheels, a small block 350 engine, and dual 20-gallon fuel tanks, ensuring plenty of cruising power. While the body is in good shape overall, with some rust in the fender wells, it's otherwise solid. With a clean title, this C10 Big 10 presents a great opportunity for any classic truck enthusiast. For further details, see the description. Number 8. We continue with a 1966 Ford F100, priced at $1,234 and located in Northford, Connecticut. This custom cab pickup truck is offered as a restoration project or for parts. It features a red exterior and an automatic transmission, although it's not currently running and comes without a title or registration. The 8-foot bed and extra parts make it a good candidate for someone looking to restore this vintage truck or utilize its parts. This vehicle is part of an online auction, and it could be yours with the winning bid. For more information, check the description. Number 9. Here we find a 1948 Dodge pickup listed for $1,000 and located in Klamath Falls, Oregon. This classic truck features a flathead 6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. While the engine is believed to be locked up and the driver's side door is missing, the seller also has a 1950 Dodge pickup for parts, which includes doors that fit this truck. Both vehicles can be purchased together for $1,750, presenting a great opportunity for someone looking to restore or use the parts of these classic Dodge pickups. For more details, check the description. Number 10. We continue with a 1969 Datsun 1600 Roadster, priced at $4,500 and located in Houston, Texas. This convertible Roadster comes with a hardtop and is in need of some attention. The engine is strong and starts, but the car will need to be towed. It includes a new fuel tank that needs to be installed, and with only 2,000 miles on the odometer, this Datsun presents a rare opportunity for restoration. While the title is not included, the seller is motivated and willing to negotiate. For more information, check the description. Number 11. Moving on, we find a 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 located in Wanamassa, New Jersey, priced at $3,800. This vintage classic is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and comes with an automatic transmission. It runs, drives, and stops as expected, making it a functional car that still holds great potential for restoration. While the white paint is rated about 3 to 4 out of 10, and there is some rust present, the solid floor structure offers a stable foundation for further work. The transmission has been rebuilt, which is a significant upgrade, though the speedometer isn't working, and it's being sold as TMU, true mileage unknown. The vehicle comes with some spare parts, making it a promising project for any classic car enthusiast. If you've always been intrigued by the unique design of the Corvair and are looking for an affordable entry point, this could be the perfect opportunity to bring this iconic car back to its glory days. For more details, be sure to check the description. Number 12. Here we find a 1955 Ford Crown Victoria located in Amherst, Wisconsin, with a price of $4,500. This beautiful coupe is a classic waiting to be revived by the right buyer. Equipped with a newer 302 engine and automatic transmission, this Crown Vic isn't currently running, but offers a fantastic starting point for a restoration project. Structurally, the car is sound, with a solid trunk and decent floors, which is crucial for any restoration project. The car's clean title and iconic red paint make it a standout, despite needing mechanical work. If you are a Ford enthusiast looking to restore a piece of automotive history, this Crown Victoria is a rare gem and a true American classic that's worthy of a second life. Check the description for more details. Number 13. Next, we find a 1977 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL located in the Arts District, California, priced at $4,500. This convertible offers a super low mileage, almost rust-free body that's hard to find these days. It has been sitting for a long time, but comes with a clean California title, and the odometer reads just 92,000 miles. The paint could use some polishing, and while the fuel pump needs to be replaced, the car still turns over, showing promise. The interior remains in surprisingly good condition, adding to the vehicle's overall value. This Mercedes also comes with a hardtop, though it doesn't match the body color, offering an interesting restoration project for the right buyer. If you're a lover of classic Mercedes convertibles, this could be your chance to own one at an affordable price. For further details, see the description. Number 14. Now, we find a 1974 Ford F100 Explorer located in Durant, Oklahoma, priced at $3,400. This all-original pickup is powered by a 302 Ci V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Originally from California, this truck has been parked since 2019, following an issue with an aftermarket radiator that didn't fit properly after a carburetor rebuild. Additionally, the truck requires some work on the fuel gauge and speedometer, but the front suspension was completely rebuilt in 2014, which included new rotors, calipers, and brakes, giving it a solid mechanical base. With a clean title and a body that has held up well over the years, this F100 is a fantastic restoration opportunity for those who appreciate vintage pickups. Whether it's a father-son project or a personal endeavor, this truck has all the essentials for a successful restoration. For more information, be sure to check the description. Number 15. Continuing with another classic pickup. For lastly, we find a 1975 Chevrolet C10 located in Cedar Ridge, California, priced at $3,500. This truck is equipped with an inline-six engine and automatic transmission, boasting a solid mechanical history with recent brake work and new tires. While the truck isn't perfect, it runs and drives well, offering reliability despite its age. The vehicle is also smog-exempt, making it hassle-free in terms of emissions testing. Regular maintenance has been performed, including a carburetor replacement and transmission service. The interior could use some updating, and the exhaust needs a new muffler. But with 137,900 miles on the odometer, this truck still has plenty of life left in it. For an enthusiast who appreciates older pickups and enjoys a vehicle with character, this Chevrolet C10 could be the perfect project. Check the description for more details.